So if you look at the Mediterranean diet, उसमें आपके लिए आपके थाली में अनाज सबसे कम रहेगा. There will be lots of nuts, salads, vegetables, fruits, yeah, and good amount of protein. उसके अलावा what is important is cardio. At least 30 minutes, 5 days a week आपको walk करना ही करना है. You can't afford to miss that. This is one tip I can tell which will bring down your risk of heart attack or heart disease. Yeah. Menopause and weight gain. I just mentioned about it. So one of the major function of the ovaries released estrogens is lipolysis. Lipolysis का मतलब है fat को disintegrate करता है. So that leads to excessive fat accumulation in the body, poor metabolism, and fat storage शुरू होता है abdominal girth में. So your visceral fat increases. Alright. So now you know how subtly it is happening and you're not even aware of it. Yeah. So जब abdominal fat बढ़ता है, that is when your insulin resistance goes up. That is, you are in a pre-diabetic condition just because of the excessive fat accumulation around your abdomen. So these are the high risks, and what is the solution? Mostly people, you must have heard all kinds of diets, और लोग कार्ब से डरते हैं. तो मैं बोलती हूँ कार्ब इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. उसको एक मिनिमल अमाउंट में लेना सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एंड फैट, सही फैट लेना है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स विजिबल फैट मतलब सिंपल टिप ये है कि 4 टीस्पून्स पर डे टोटल फैट होना चाहिए. मतलब तेल, घी, जो भी आप चीज़ें मीडियम यूज़ करते हैं कुक करने के लिए, 4 टीस्पून्स पर डे विच इज़ 20 ml से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. So this is what you will see, and again, not to miss the fiber. If you see, there are varieties of vegetables and fruits and raw salads to be used. Above all, protein definitely matters. As I told you, protein की deficiency है तो body में सारे nutrients की deficiency होती है. So keep up your protein, and protein should also be taken to reduce your craving for sweets. This is one of the thing. How many of you have faced this menopause के बाद तो मीठे की craving बढ़ रही है? Thank you. Exactly. इसका क्या होता है? Why? You feel low in energy, and the mind reads low in energy as I want quick solution. I want quick calorie. I want quick energy. Where do you get quick energy? Is from meetha, sugars, glucose. Right? That is the reason you crave for meetha. But if you're sufficiently provide your body with protein and adequate carbs, आपको ये craving कम होती है. हम लोग डर के बहुत कम खाते हैं, है ना? सही खाना भी हम कम खाते हैं. Then you think craving को तो आप stop नहीं कर सकते हैं. And I always say, you know, 1 roti and sabzi is better than having 1 gulab jamun. Right? छोटा सा गुलाब जामुन, उससे पेट भी नहीं भरता, but immediately the craving is such, you want to have it, but then it's not going to give you any nutrition except for calories. Yeah? So that is all about mindful eating. So if you see mindful eating में एक fork and knife लगा हुआ है, right? So a lot many times when we are at the parties especially, ask yourself, do I need to eat or is it my greed? और खाना खाने के बाद कोई खाना अच्छा लगता है तो we try to serve more to ourselves. So that is one thing we can't afford post menopause. उसके लिए भी there's a reason, you know. There's this theory where we say satiety center आपके brain में, even that plays. So the tip there is, if you eat something and you want to eat more, wait for 12 minutes. 12 minutes के बाद भी अगर आपको वो खाने का मन करता है तो your body needs. If you don't feel like, that means it didn't need, it was your greed. Yeah? So that is the tip you can take. And above all, if you see this, exercise has a major impact. बहुत लोग वेट लॉस के लिए सिर्फ कार्डियो करते हैं, जुम्बा कर रहे हैं, वॉक कर रहे हैं, जॉगिंग कर रहे हैं. यू नो, वेट बेयरिंग एक्सरसाइज नॉट ओनली इम्प्रूव्स योर बोन हेल्थ, आपका फैट रिडक्शन के लिए, फैट मास कम करने के लिए, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू. but has to be done judiciously. If you're doing 30 minutes of cardio, at least give 10 minutes for your weight bearing exercise, but be consistent. So इससे आपका fat loss अच्छे से होता है. So menopause and mental health, this is one of my favorite topic. Like in between COVID में, there was a situation where people just not needed the diet, they needed diet for their mind. That is when I went ahead and did my PG diploma in psychological counseling. I'm also a counselor too now. This was something unknowingly I did throughout my practice. In fact, you just mentioned about my talk in Philadelphia 2018 mein. I was talking about the counseling aspect in combating obesity. Nutrition तो सबको पता था, it was in International Obesity Congress. Nutrition के जगह पे nutritional dietary counseling, how is that helpful in bringing down the fat percentage? So that is why mind over matter. So the clue here is dose. You must be feeling yes सब कुछ है, yet I am not feeling happy. There's something that is stopping me. I feel stuck. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. You ask कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है. You have no problem materialistically या anyways. कोई भी सवाल पूछो, any number of questions you ask, I have all of these, but I don't know why I'm not happy. So why you're not happy is your dose is affected. What is this dose? Dose is the happy hormone. D stands for dopamine, O stands for oxytocin, S stands for serotonin, E stands for endorphins. ये सारे happy hormones हैं. इनको डोज को आपके अपने जीवन में लाइए तो you will be happier even without something that you really wanted. Yeah? So ये कैसे आता है? So now it is all in the mind. Dopamine कैसे आता है? The day you decide I need to work out. Maybe after this talk you will see I need to take care of my diet. The day you decide I need to do something, then the dopamine sets in. But I am about to do something for myself. Dopamine release होता है. Then comes endorphins. When you take action, maybe you hit the gym, maybe you start walking, maybe you consult somebody to take help for your diet. Taking action will release endorphins. When you start walking, like आपने ये प्रण लिया, you want to make it a point that you will start from today, you will start from right now. So action लेने से endorphins बढ़ता है. Endorphins के बाद आता है serotonin. When you take action and be consistent for at least 3 weeks, that is when this hormone sets in, which is serotonin. Serotonin को 2-3 महीने, that is if you're consistent for another 2 to 3 months, then comes oxytocin. Oxytocin is nothing but the highest form of self-love. इसको action में क्या है? See, when I talk in terms of activity, when you start doing exercise, when you take up something, and when you start acting upon it, endorphins produce. कई बार आपने ये देखा होगा. So I always say this 17 minutes rule here. There will be days when you feel I am not feeling up to it. आज रहने देते हैं, आज walk पे नहीं जाएंगे, आज exercise नहीं करेंगे. Does that happen to you? हम लोग regular हैं, उसके बाद भी कोई दिन ऐसे होता है ना. So what you need to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get off the bed, wear your shoes, go for a walk. You will still feel, why did I do it? Give yourself 17 minutes. 17 minutes के बाद आपकी energy change होती है. Because your endorphins are released. And that is again a happy hormone. You feel good that I woke up, good that I came and walked. है ना? वही 20 मिनट पहले वो feeling नहीं होती है. So this is another tip you should take. So when you consistently keep doing it, serotonin sets in. Now you feel, yes, I am at it. That self-value comes there. And when you achieve something, your result, it could be reduction in your waistline, reduction in your weight, it should be you're feeling happier, inch loss हो रहा है, weight loss हो रहा है. When you see the result, you'll feel proud of yourself. That is self-love. That is how oxytocin releases. Yeah? Menopause and brain health. So suddenly you see कि सारा किसी का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है, there is something you, especially with the names it happens, I know, yeah, something you want to convey, there is a word I'm not able to recollect, suddenly you feel stuck and you feel कि क्या हो गया मुझे, है दिमाग में पर आ नहीं रहा है. No, can you see? So that happens, forgetfulness होती है. Then you have brain fog. You're talking something, suddenly you're paused. कि मैं क्या बोल रही थी? Does that happen? Yeah. That. Then वो दोनों हो गया तो दिमाग में वैसी एंग्जाइटी हो जाएगी. ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? मैं बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ. Yeah. Then consistently that keeps happening and you're not able to figure out why this is happening. It leads to some kind of depression. And again, sleep is disturbed. Sleep, again, as I tell you, dose is the answer for your sleep also. Serotonin की हम बात कर रहे थे ना, serotonin level तक जाके, when serotonin gets converted into melatonin, that is when you get good sleep. One of the major mistake people do here is जो zero carb diet बोलते हैं, right? High protein diet हम लेके सो रहे हैं. Most of the people struggle sleeping because they are not taking enough carbohydrate. For the serotonin to get converted to melatonin, protein के साथ साथ आपको carbohydrate रहेगा तो वो conversion बेहतर होता है. That is how you will get sleep, and this is the crux of diet. So sleep disturbance रहेगा, fatigue, unnecessary. आप काम कुछ खास नहीं किए हैं, no much physical activity, yet there is mental fatigue. शरीर से भी आपको लग रहा है the energy is drained. All this is because of low levels of estrogen. So how do you up? Now remember brain. B-R-A-I-N. When I say B, berries. All kinds of berries you include in your diet. Strawberry, raspberry, blackberries, blueberries, gooseberry, all berries. Put all the berries. Make sure you include that in your diet. Go for rainbow colored vegetables, fruits and salads. Can you see? Just go sabzi mandi में जाना है. Pick up the colorful sabzis and salads and fruits. It's self-explanatory. है ना? जितना ज़्यादा रंग है आपके उस सब्जी के, उतना ज़्यादा your brain is having a better health. All kinds of antioxidants which comes from fresh fruits and nuts as well, right? Include protein in your diet. Lean meat is a must. As I told you, protein की कमी की वजह से सारे nutrients की कमी होती है, because protein is the carrier of all the nutrients. And nuts, you should include nuts. Coming back to, there is a lot of proof that how nuts have improved the life of post-menopause women. So all kinds of nuts, especially the seed therapy we talk about, is amazing. You must include that in your diet. So coming back to menopause and gut health. How many of you have seen कि पहले तो wheat से allergy नहीं होती थी, अभी हम रोटी खाते हैं तो it doesn't suit me, I feel bloated. Do you feel that? So what is the game changer? So now that you have all of this knowledge, how is it going to help you? So for anybody to lose weight, 60% is attributable to diet, 20% good sleep. Sleep has a major role because these are the ones that good sleep can reduce your stress hormones. तो आपका weight loss journey आसान होता है. And 20% attributable to activity, whatever suits you. It could be walking, it could be jogging, it could be yoga, it could be dance, Zumba, whatever. Make sure that 30 to 40 minutes of activity रखना ही रखना है per day. Then ये भी करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? सबसे पहले mindset. Everybody feels, oh, it is very difficult to lose weight. It is very difficult to diet. It is very difficult to go for a walk. It is very difficult to exercise. So it all begins from your mindset. So you change your mindset. And 20% is action. Mindset तो आपने बनाया. The day you implement is when you are actually on track. उसके अलावा the most important factor, your support system, your environment, your family and friends, the people you associate with, do they support your health goal? This is very, very important. एक दिन खा लो कुछ नहीं होगा. That's the biggest, probably that is what happens in gatherings. But if you're determined or you want to eat this, and someone who really loves you will ask, what would you like to eat? मैं वही बनाऊंगी. ये नहीं बोलते कि मैंने ये बनाया है.